Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Kinsita Johnson, and today I want to show you this pretty updo that I prefer to do for my daughter. Split the hair in the front diagonally and then until behind the ear. Put the rest of the hair in a side ponytail. Take a front section, not too small. We're going to start to do the big Dutch braid in the front. 3 sections, and then start to take the upper strand under the middle, then the one from the left under the middle, and when you do the upper strand again under the middle, you add in some hair. The portions of hair that you are choosing for this braid shouldn't be too thin, just to make sure that our Dutch braid looks wide and chunky later. Keep on braiding, adding in the hair from the front. I smooth out everything here with my fingers, hold tight and close to the scalp, and keep on braiding. This is a regular Dutch braid. Bring under the right hand strand and then add in some hair. Hold tight, close to the scalp. Pull the hair always into the direction that you want the braid to go later. So I'm trying now to pull like over where I have the bun, then in the future. When there's no more hair to add in, you just regularly braid until the end of the hair. When you're afraid that when you pancake later, when you make wider the braid, when you have been pulling too much, you have to rebraid. So what you can do is you start already now to make wider the strands, like I do it now. I add in some hairspray just to make sure the hairs stick a bit together. If you have powder, it's also perfect. And you give volume to your braid. That means with my right hand now, I'm holding not too close at the end of the braid, the hair together, and then I'm pulling gently the outer edges. And it is always recommended to do this bit by bit, not to overact, and you can always pull out a bit more, even at the end when you have your finished style. But once you pull too much, you have to rebraid and adjust. It's helpful just to tuck the outer edges, and it takes a bit of practice, but you see it's nothing hard to do. It's just pulling the outer edges, feather it out, and then you have this beautiful result of a wide braid. When you are happy with the results so far, you keep on braiding until the very end. And in between, you pull the outer edges and make bigger your braid. This is the one that wraps around the bun base later, and you want it to be as pretty as possible. If you want a more sportive style and you don't need it to be so big, you just braid through, you don't pancake at all. It will make the style much faster, much quicker. It looks tighter in total. If you're new on our channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the little bell so that you get notified when we upload a new tutorial. At the very end, I'm just using a clear elastic and then clip it away. Now we're going to prepare our bun. Therefore, take all the remaining hair together, brush everything through, and then take a strong elastic. You can choose. I choose to have a higher bun, so grab everything together and I go directly under the base of the braided part of the front. Leave some space now to wrap around the bun hair. And then I'm just doing a simple rope twist. So split into two, turn to the right, and then the one that is twisted already goes to the opposite direction, to the left. So turn to the right the strand and bring over to the left until the very end. Then use a little elastic to hold everything together. I turn to the right, and now all the bun part goes wrapped around the base to the left. Like this, it unravels less, that is my experience. And then I clip with a bunch of bobby tails everything into place. If you're interested in one of these hats, they are from Limache. You find in the caption also a discount code, and you can order them from them. This one is Gigi, and I love this hat because she has very long and soft hair. So if you see that something loosens up, then you just clip it into place. And if you want to hide the end, just remove one of the bun bobby pins. To make sure that nothing is moving, I grab hair from under the braid and also clip it to the remaining hair. You see, just grab from under and pin it into place. Make sure no bobby pin is seen, and then adjust if it's necessary. Make wider the bun, and this is our final result. A big braid in the front that is wrapped around a simple bun. This is perfect for ballet, this is perfect for wedding, and it's in a style that actually you can even achieve perfectly on yourself if you have some practice. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye.